Nikli Haur. Hello there, friends. How are you all doing? If you want to witness the heart of the water's horizon, you must visit Kishorganj's Nikli Haur. So today's journey takes us to Nikli Haur in Kishorganj. I left Dhanmondi and headed towards my next stop, the Mohakhali bus stand. From Mohakhali bus station, I need to travel all the way to Nikli Haur in Kishorganj. When I reached the Mohakhali bus terminal in the morning, surprisingly, there was no traffic at all. Yet even early in the day, there was already a sizable crowd. Now it's time to buy a bus ticket to Kishorganj. Many buses operate from here to Kishorganj. I bought my ticket, the Ujan Bhati bus, which costs 230 taka. This bus will drop me at Katiyari, and from there I'll need to continue my journey towards Nikli Haur. So while we're on the road, let me share some more information. Enjoy the beautiful scenery on both sides. You can travel to Nikli Haur by car, bus or even train. From Dhaka's Mohakhali or Syedabad, buses to Kishorganj cost between Tk 230 and Tk 250. You may reach Katiyari bus stand directly from Mohakhali by Jal Shiri bus or from Syedabad by Anunya Super. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to get from Dhaka to Katiyari. After arriving there, you can hire a CNG to Nikli Haur. A reserved CNG will cost between Tk 450 and Tk 650. If you prefer traveling by train, you can board the early morning train from Dhaka's Kamalapur or airport railway stations to Egaru Shindur, closed on Wednesdays. The train departs around 7 am and will take you directly to Gachihata railway station. Depending on the class, the fare ranges between Tk 150 and Tk 200. It takes around 2 hours and 30 minutes by car or about 3 hours by train. After reaching Gachihata, exit the station and rent an easy bike or CNG for Tk 50 or reserve one for Tk 250. Within an hour, you'll reach Nikli Haur. After arriving in Katiyari, we hired a CNG and started heading towards Nikli Haur. The driver told us that it would take around 45 minutes to an hour to reach there. No matter where you travel from, Dhaka or anywhere else, your first stop should be the Nikli Berry Bandh. From the embankment, you can hire a boat for a complete Haul tour. Rent a boat based on how much time you have or your budget. Boat owners may ask for higher prices, so negotiate wisely and settle on a fair amount. We reached Nikli Shadhinchar village after passing through the Nikli Haur. Here, people were jumping into the water from the branches of Karamcha trees and swimming joyfully. We also went down to bathe like them. Everyone around us was bursting with happiness. This kind of joy can only be felt when you witness it with your own eyes. From Shadhinjhar, we set off towards Mithamoin. Nikli Haur in Kishoreganj is surrounded entirely by water. Nikli Haur is located in the Nikli Upazila of Kishoreganj district. This vast expanse of water includes such areas as Mithamoin, Oshtogram and Ithna, along with Nikli. Because it is close to Dhaka, its popularity is increasing day by day. Many tourists come here and are constantly drawn to its beauty. Anyone will fall in love at first sight with the horizon-spanning waves of the Haur. The serene water of these peaceful villages brings life to the entire landscape. As soon as you reach the water's edge, the sky suddenly feels wide open. There are small clusters of houses in the middle of the waterscape where boatmen live. This area is also well known for fishing. Finally, we arrived at Mithamoin. Mithamoin is a small, beautiful upazila in Bangladesh. The town, surrounded by water, looks almost like an island. White clouds drift above, creating a breathtaking view. The afternoon sky here feels like a blanket of clouds gently resting across the horizon. The ideal time to visit Nikli Haur is during the monsoon season. You may choose to come at other times of the year, but the vast stretches of water won't be the same and much of the true beauty of the Haur will be lost. Now let me share a bit more information as we enjoy the scenery. Where should you eat in Nikli Haur? In Nikli, there are several food hotels around the Beriband area. If you want, you can have your lunch there. Fresh fish from the Haur is the best item on the menu. You can enjoy dishes with kachki, bowal, tangra, prawns and many others. Meals cost about Tk 150 to 200 per person. Apart from fish, you will find vegetables, meat and other items. And that brings our journey to Nikli Haur to an end. Friends, I must say goodbye for now. Stay healthy and stay happy. See you again in a new place on a new journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join our future adventures. Thank you very much.